I am Muhammad Shahid Shafiq, District and Sessions Judge. Presently part of Sindh Judicial Academy. Today we shall discuss about mediation. What is the law for settling a dispute outside court with the assistance of mediator? Yes, Section 89B of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908 provides mechanism. To have better understanding about Section 89B, we listen a conversation. Ahmed and Shafiq have a dispute over a house. Ahmed wants completion of transaction whereby Shafiq to receive remaining and transfer property. Shafiq refused. Ahmed wants to approach Mediation Centre for some amicable settlement. High Court of Sindh has set up a court annexed Mediation Centre, Sindh Judicial Academy. Learned judges working in district court have started to refer cases to the centre. It is located at Bath Island, Clifton, near Teen Tulvar, Karachi. Now, we listen conversation of two friends, Ahmed and Syed. I am upset as Shafiq has refused to transfer house number 354 in my favor, and now, I want to file a suit in court of law. Court may take some time to dispose of the matter. You may get resolved the matter through professional mediators. Who is mediator and how to approach him? You may file/send application to a recognized mediation center. The center will call the other party, who act as mediator. Former judges and sitting judges act as mediators. Have the government established any center in Sindh? Yes, Court Annexed Mediation Centre has been set up in SJA by High Court of Sindh.